Bridge update. It's doing pretty good. The voltage right now is at 12.4. Normal is 12.6. I let it the Jeep run yesterday for about 20 minutes. And I took the black cover off of it too, because it was seemed like it wasn't kicking on right, and then it would run too long. Seems like it wasn't sensing the temperature right with that black carry case cover. So I'll just use that for storage and carrying it to the Jeep, carrying it back upstairs. But yeah, so far so good, nothing spoiled. A lot of rumbling off to the southwest over that way. I don't know if it's going to storm, it's going to go by us, or constant rumbling. Now it seems to let up a little bit. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.